dedicated parts facility that has 33,000 square metres of space, which is triple the size of the previous parts warehouse. It's also been built to world-class logistics standards, which is a company CNH Industrial part of our processing systems. We built a 15-bay workshop that has a drive-through servicing facility, 60-tonne rated flush-mounted hoist that can lift the B train up and service it, so we can make sure we meet our customers' servicing requirements, including dedicated light commercial vehicle servicing. Our facility also showcases our complete range of our products, including light, medium and heavy duty vehicles. We show up to 50 vehicles to our customers on display, so we can really make sure we've got all the products here, again, to show them as part of the sales process, including all the staff amenities, staff car parking, etc. We have at the moment around about 35 staff, give or take. We'll build that up through the fullness of time as we improve our parts and service absorption through our own business. We also utilise the parts warehouse to service and support our 21 service and parts dealers around North and South Islands of New Zealand. And once again, as part of being world-class logistics, we make sure that we can meet our dealerships' needs by delivering our parts to them on time every time as they require them.